Welcome to something you should try. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, gadget fan, trendsetter, or simply crave the experience of what's next, you've come to the right place. The Scrubba portable wash bag packs lighter, travels further, and cleans clothes anywhere. Introducing the Scrubba wash bag with a flexible inner washboard that makes washing easy. Add clothes and cleaning liquid. Add water, rub against the washboard, then rinse and hang out to dry. The 20-piece deluxe stainless steel grill set from Cuisinart includes a silicone basting brush, grill tongs, chef's spatula, digital temperature fork, cleaning brush, and aluminum storage case. For more information on these products, click the link in the description box and don't forget to hit subscribe.